Why are some athletes smaller but way stronger than bigger, more muscular ones? One big reason is biomechanics. When we lift weights, two opposite forces create torque at our joints. On one side, we have muscle force, which tries to lift the weight. On the other side, we have load force, which tries to pull it down. If the torque generated by our muscles is greater than the torque from the load, we win and the weight moves. But here's where it gets tricky. There are four key variables in this equation, and only two of them can be changed. We have muscle force. This is how much force your muscle can generate, and it can be improved through training. And we have muscle attachment points. This is where your muscle's tendon attaches to the bone. A farther attachment from the joint creates more torque, making lifting easier. But this is purely genetic and can't be changed. Now, on the other side, we have the load. We can control the load by adding or removing weight. And then we have bone length. The farther the load is from the joint, the more torque it creates, making lifting harder. And since we can change our bone structure, people with disproportional limbs often have a mechanical disadvantage in certain limbs. Of course, biomechanics isn't the only factor in strength, but it plays a huge role. And this explains why some smaller athletes can be insanely strong despite having less muscle mass.